2 in the hundred thousands place? Watch my finger. The 2 in the thousands place is blank the 2 in the hundreds thousands place. Talk to your team. This 2 is bigger or smaller than this 2? Is it bigger or smaller? Bigger. This 2 is bigger than this 2?
No.
Oh, this 2 is
Smaller than it.
Now talk with your partner about how much smaller. Oh, good.
Love it, Constance.
Good.
Thanks, Carla.
Look at this 2.
Thank
It
you,
does.
Brandon.
This 2 is smaller than this one. How much smaller? It's okay. Smaller. Okay. Actually, it's 10 times another 2. Yes. Don't worry about the expo. Here, try to erase you. This one. And right here. How many spaces? Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Hold up.
Wait a minute.
This is smaller than this, isn't it?
Yes.
But we're trying to figure out how much smaller. Well, from here, if we go this, how much smaller is this? 10 times. And then I need another 10 times. 10 times 10 is?
100.
Yeah, so it's 100 times smaller. We're not adding 10 plus 10 is 20, but we're not adding. Okay? So it is 100 times smaller. Next one, multiply this number by 10. What is our secret when we multiply by 10? Go ahead and write the answer. Multiply this number by 10. The whole number, multiply it by 10. What did I do wrong? You're right, you're dividing by 10. But it's 100. That is confusing, isn't it? That's good thinking. Let's talk about this. Let's stop for just a second. That is an excellent question. You know what? I'm going to put a sticky feet here because you are thinking. He said, Miss Brown, you made a mistake. He said, this is supposed to be divide when we get smaller. If I'm saying when I go this way, I divide by 10. Or when I skip 2, I divide by 100. You are right. But I'm just saying how much smaller. So we can say it's 100 times smaller. If I had put bigger here, then that means we would go this way. Right, Miss Nobley?
You're right. That's where the fractions sometimes are better. It's 1/100th of. Because that was a problem in another class as well.
That's great thinking. That makes sense. That makes sense.
That boy's paying attention.
He is, because you're right. When we go to the right, we usually put a division sign. We're dividing by 100. Or that piece is 1/100th of this. This piece, what fraction is this of this? This is 1/10th of this. This is 1/100th of this. This is 10 times smaller. This is 100 times smaller. This is divided by 10. This is divided by 100. Good thinking. I like when people are on their toes like that, trying to catch Miss Brown. It makes me smarter too. Here we go. Multiply by 10. Did we do it?
Yes.
So if I write that number, how many zeros do I add? 1. And then I come and I put my comma. And I put my comma. And say our new number.
2,324,850.
Everybody look at this boy. Ready? When I count to 3, everybody's head better be turned to him. 1, 2, 3. Look at him. Everybody's eyes look at him. Say that number again.
2,324,850.
Put your finger on your number. Read it. 2. Wait a minute. I said that comma meant 1,000. I did add another comma. That one comes after the million. So I'm going to say 2,324,850. I just added another comma in there, didn't I? And I think, look up here, this is the best way to show that.